Welcome to CourseSight. In this short video, you will learn how you, as a trainer, can use the system to increase efficiency and reduce administration for you and your colleagues. Once you have been set up in the system, you will receive this email. Use the link in the email to set a password for your account. This account is only for your use, so make sure you use a password that nobody else can guess. Now that your login is set up, you can log in anytime from the CourseSight website. The first thing you'll see when logging in is your dashboard. Your dashboard contains all the information you need to keep track of the training you're delivering. For a further breakdown of the stats shown on the dashboard, simply click on the relevant box and this will open a full report. Reports can also be accessed from the Reports option in the left-hand navigation bar. There are a variety of reports available here. The most important tool for you as a trainer is your planner. Any course that has been assigned to you by your administrator will be shown on the relevant date in your planner. By hovering over the course box, you can see the basic details about the course. By clicking on the box, you can then open that course instance. Here, we can see what a future course looks like. When looking at future courses, you can see the status of bookings, capacity, and delegates. You can also download the PDF register here. Once a course has begun, you're able to record the outcomes of each delegate. This can either be done each day by using the Save option, or in one go on the last day of the course. Please note, these will be sent directly to the delegate and their managers once you select Complete. You may notice in your planner that there are some different coloured boxes. Green boxes indicate that the outcomes have been recorded and sent to the delegates. Blue boxes indicate that no outcomes have been recorded for this course. Rolling courses, such as apprenticeships, are shown here too. Outcomes can be recorded against rolling courses at any time. Here we can see the email that is sent to both the delegate and their manager. It contains all the course outcomes that have been recorded and the dates they were achieved. If you need any extra support, information, or are having any issues with the system, please contact info@coursight.co.uk.